Hello, this is Dr. Dankwa, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to navigate the user profile dashboard on Bevinzey. So whether you're new to Bevinzey or looking to become more familiar with the features available to you, this tutorial will guide you through every step. So let's get started. So once you've signed up and you are logged in, to navigate to the user profile dashboard, what you want to do is click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you need to know how to sign up or log in, just check the previous tutorial. It will tell you exactly how to do that. But once you're at the top right hand corner, what you see is your name, your username, which is the handle, and then you see credits. Now, if you've not purchased any of the plans yet, you're not going to see any numbers before the credits. But when you do purchase one of the plans, either the starter plan or the premium plan, it's going to let you know how many words you have left. So what you want to do though is to click on the drop down arrow, click on profile, and it will bring you to the user profile dashboard. So now on the user profile dashboard, the first thing you will notice in the top left is a welcome message, hey, and then your name. Welcome back. Let's do something epic. And then beneath it, you see a number of tabs. You see 3 tabs: the edit profile, account settings, and change password. Now you see these 3 tabs if you've not purchased any of the plans. But when you do purchase one of the plans, you're going to see a 4th tab, and I'll show you what that looks like later. So when you're on any of the tabs, it's going to be highlighted blue. Now on the edit profile tab, it allows you to change your profile picture and update your name and phone number. So let's actually upload a profile picture because we haven't done that yet for this account. So I'm going to click on change, click on the picture, click on open. So we just updated the profile picture. When we refresh the page, it's going to also update at the top right hand corner. So I'm going to refresh the page, and you notice that it also updated in the top right hand corner. So when you do log out, but you're still logged into the platform, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. Now let's change the first name. I'm just going to put DR, and then for the last name, I'm going to put D. Save changes. And so now we just updated the information. So we have Dr. D, and that's coming from the first name and then the last name. So you could also put in your phone number if you wanted to, but it's important to notice that the first name and the last name are required. So you need to actually put some information into those boxes. So in the next tab, when you click account settings, what this allows you to do is actually change your username. So let's actually make this, click save, and then your email if you wanted to change that. So now at the bottom here, you have this red button. When you click on it, it gives you the option to close your account, but you're going to get this pop-up window that actually wants you to confirm that indeed you want to close the account and you didn't click on it accidentally. So if you want to, just click on the close. It's going to close the entire account. And then if not, you just click on cancel, and then it will take you back to the user profile dashboard. Now the third option, which says change password, allows you to change your password. So you're just going to put in your old password and then your new password. Now both of these are required, so you need to put in the text before you can save changes. So I'm just going to refresh the page again, and you're going to notice that all the changes that we've made has been updated as well. So if you look at the top right corner, you have your profile picture and then the new username which we just created. So once you've purchased one of the plans, you're going to notice that in the top right hand corner, you have some numbers before the credits that tells you how many words you have for the month. So you have 70,000 credits for the premium plan. Now also, you do get an additional tab, which is the subscription tab. When you click on that, it allows you to have an option to manage your subscription. So here, what you're going to be having is this green button right here. When you click on it, it actually takes you to the Bevinzey page. And if you wanted to manage your account, you can simply put in your email and then click send, and then it's going to send you a link. And in that link, you're going to be able to actually manage your account. So I'm going to put in an email, and then you get a confirmatory page. So now we're going to check our email and see what the link looks like. And so you do have an email which will be coming from Bevinzey. Just click on that, and then you have this button in there. Just click on the login button, and it will take you directly to your account on Stripe. So here, what you're going to see is an option to pay the invoice. You can click on here to find your invoice, and you can update any information, add the payment method, and all of the important changes that you like to make in your account. So here lets you know when the invoice was issued, how many more days you have until it's due, and you can click on this button right here to pay the invoice, or you could also click on this icon right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the pay invoice, and it's going to open another page on Stripe, still under the Bevinzey account. And so here you could just put in your card, your credit card or debit card details to pay by credit card, or you could also pay by bank account. So we do have that option as well. So you can quickly search for your bank and simply go ahead and pay, or you could pay with link. That's also an option that we do have. So this is a really quick way to go ahead and pay for your invoice. Now, under the subscription tab, it quickly lets you know whether your plan is active or not. So it's active. It tells you the payment method that you've used, the plan on which you are, the billing interval, whether it's monthly or annually. So here we are having a monthly plan. The input length, it tells you how much text you can put into the summarized text or the text to questions module. We'll talk about that in another tutorial. And then it also lets you know the words per month. This actually pertains to how many words or credits you can actually consume within that month. So for the premium plan, it's currently 70,000 words per month, and for the starter plan is 30,000 words per month. It also lets you know all the invoices that you have, so you can keep track of your billing information. And so that's it. You are now an expert in navigating the Bevinzey user profile dashboard. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your Bevinzey experience even better. And if you need more tutorials and guides, don't forget to visit the video tutorial hub, and you can have all the information that you need to make your experience on Bevinzey even much more enjoyable. So thank you once again for choosing Bevinzey.